If your remote for your DV8 1200-pound off-road winch has gone missing, is broken, or you just like to have a backup ready, then DV8's off-road replacement wired winch remote is a logical buy. This is a direct replacement remote for your DV8 off-road winch, and it'll help you regain full capability on the trails without an issue. This features the original plug-and-play design that'll take you less than 5 minutes to connect to your winch, so I'm going to be giving this a very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. This remote features a 12.5-foot cable that provides easy winch control while keeping you at a safe operating distance in case of an accident like a snapped line. The controller itself maintains the in and out functionality just like your remote that came with the winch, as well as the same plug to ensure just a plug-and-play installation like I mentioned earlier. Designed for all of the 1200-pound winches available from DV8, so this ensures you can use this wire remote if you happen to upgrade to a newer model or share with someone in your party as a backup if theirs happens to break. Just south of 15 bucks is a great price for a compatible replacement wired remote for your DV8 off-road winch. If you're looking for a more convenient option, there is also a wireless plug-and-play option available for around double this price. Switching over to the install, this is a direct replacement plug-and-play part that you'll have on in less than 5 minutes once it's out of the box. All you need to do is line up the connection on 2 ends and you're ready to go. That's my review on DV8 off-road replacement 1200-pound wired winch remote. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.